pas lagi konsultasi sebenarnya kita dapat anjuran untuk lebih nekanin lagi kayak pain point yang perlu di show off ke juri dan juga ke audiens supaya masalah utamanya itu lebih dimengerti oleh mereka.
Kita ada banyak mentor so far di prosesnya, tapi yang paling berguna, paling menyentuh hati itu mulai aja dulu. If you don't start, you won't know. So, untung kita dengerin terus dengan nasihat-nasihat mereka dan semua kita berani diri dan akhirnya bisa nyampe di titik sini.
Dari mentor paling jangan nge-skip proses sih. Dan jangan terlalu berekspektasi atau fokus ke hasilnya. Selalu fokus ke progresnya, on to the next one.
Fungsi hackathon adalah kita mengumpulkan banyak pihak, kemudian kita juga memberi motivasi kepada para developer supaya mengembangkan sesuatu yang memang dengan insentif, yaitu memberikan reward jika ada yang menang, itu bisa berupa uang dan bisa juga dengan kita akan memberikan fasilitas lebih lanjut, misalkan kita pertemukan dengan para inkubator atau investor.
I think for Indonesian founders to be part of the global Lisk ecosystem is to stay close to us. As I mentioned, we have an app team that really wants to support you get to the next level. But we also have local incubator partners in Indonesia that we can suggest you to, where you can apply to be part of a longer term curriculum that gives you access to grant capital, but also potentially investment capital from Lisk.
They not only get to learn a new skill through those boot camps, but they also get support directly from industrial players, and this eventually helps them upskill in various aspects such as technical knowledge, such as business prowess, such as presentation skills, how to present your product to investors and anyone who you want to sell your product to. So definitely I feel like the format that we have chosen here has worked really well. We have seen great traction for the hackathon. 34 projects submitted, 10 were chosen as finalists.
I think what I've really noticed about developers here in Indonesia, they are extremely resourceful, very community driven, and I think there is also a humility and also like quiet ambition, around them, right? And I think what really makes the Indonesia developer community really great, really alive and exciting is how as a community they are really united, really willing to help each other out, and I think also very curious as well as driven to learn, right? And I think these are really important traits as a builder that you have to possess, and it's something that I see in the pool of developers that we have here in Indonesia.
Paling kita terima kasih untuk Lisk dan juga Blockdev dan juga Seller yang udah nyediain untuk event ini, sehingga kita ada kesempatan untuk menunjukkan kalau di Indonesia bisa loh untuk yang Web3 kayak gini.
Oke, makasih lah ya buat mentor kita, Pak Robert, Pak Richard, yang udah bimbing kita dari awal, dari ideation hingga planning buat legal staff-nya, dan juga teman-teman yang udah support kita, udah support semangat ataupun support knowledge juga. Nah, kira-kira kita bisa makin berkembang lagi lah. Thank you.
Kita pengen berterima kasih aja kali ya ke orang-orang yang sudah membantu kami sampai di sini saat ini.
Udah.
Terima kasih atas dukungannya.